Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Septian, and today I got an unboxing from somebody named Justin Mayer from Periodic Audio. Appreciate you. Don't need the big unboxing knife for this one. Let me see what's inside this box. Let's see here, what we got. Ooh! Thank you, Periodic Audio. Oh man, these are the brand new titanium in-ear monitors. Sweet. Let's see, let's open this up. Okay, so this shows the frequency response graph. There's the impedance, the total harmonic distortion, and then it has like some stuff you can read here. This is about the titanium. So these are different. Okay, so these are the brand new models. So I already got the old ones. Here's the old ones right here. I keep these little tins, they come with them. And I got the SpinFit CP100 Plus, made exclusively for in-ear monitors. So let's see how these differ. See what the new ones. Let's see how you open it. Okay, it's open at the bottom. You slide that out. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. Oh man. Ooh, look at the cable. Well, let me get the cable out. Ooh, it's braided. Look at it. This thing nice. Okay, let me get that off of there. Ooh, okay, I'm excited right now. Oh man, what is this, nylon? Ooh, that's a nice looking cable, man. No memory, I like that. Got it. Okay, got the cinch thing to keep it. Oh, don't twist it too much. All right, so these just came in the mail today, this morning. Okay, so they're labeled. You got right, you got left. Let me turn that. Okay, now left, right. All right, let me look at the earbuds themselves. Okay, still the same bullet style. Okay, so the earbud themselves isn't labeled. I guess it doesn't really matter. Hold on, I think it does. Let me see which one's red. Okay, I'm gonna take the silicone tips off, because the old ones were labeled. Okay, these aren't. I guess it really doesn't matter which one you put them on. So I'm just gonna go left, right. Let me see here. Okay, it fits like in like that. Do the same for this one. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. And these look like these are these are your regular tips. Or I mean not regular, but medium tips. Okay, that's pretty nice. Same bullet style, different cable. You can disconnect these. So you can get like replaceable. You can get a replacement cable in case these go bad. All right, let's see what we got inside the little tin here. Oh man, okay, I'm gonna need some help with this. I cannot get this open. Okay, it's trolling me. I can't get this open. Oh man, okay. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, got it open. Old trick, run some hot water over it. Okay, so inside we get the same buttload of like silicone tips, and we also get, let me see. Ooh, I think I see, is this double flange? Oh, okay, we got the same double flange. Small, medium, large. We also got some foam tips here. Yep, that's foam. Let's see what else we get. That's pretty much it. You get small, medium, and large foam tips. You get small, medium, and large double flanged, and then you get the small and large silicone. So you got everything you need as far as like to create a good fit. Oh my god, this is like the biggest troll of 2022. So pretty much you get the same type of accessories as you get with the old ones. Let's see, you also get some ear hooks in case you want to put these behind your ears. The cable will this fit in. Here, I'll show you. Cable will this fit in right in there. You just guide it along, and then you get a big giant, what is it, a stereo jack? And that'll just plug in. You can just plug this into a stereo, or you got like a desktop. Yep, plug it in like that. Yep. And you get a what is this called? Airphone? Not airphone. Airplane adapter. Just plugged it in like that. So you get a lot of good accessories. Very good accessories. What I like to do is I like to put all of this stuff in a plastic bag, and I just use the little tin the accessories come in, and I use it as like a container or like a carrying case. Also, one thing I figured out how to do is what they call the Rhodium wrap. So what that is that way you don't get damage the cable. You just go over, under. So go like that. Go like this. Just keep going like this. Just let the cable go where it wants to go until you can just lay it down flat. Oh my god. I should have practiced this before I started recording. That's probably a good idea. Alright, now let's see here. Alright, it's wanting to... Okay, here we go, I got it. I'm not very good at this. Let's go ahead and tell you that right now. The cable should lay flat. Let's see. Just like that. Boom! There you go. So, the brand new titanium inner monitors from Periodic Audio. I want to test these out right quick. I can do that with the Rhodium DAC. This is also from Periodic Audio. I've been meaning to review this for a while. This is their universal USB portable DAC, and that stands for digital audio converter. It's got a sampling rate of 8 kilohertz to 384 kilohertz. Got a frequency response of 5 hertz to 160 kilohertz, an impedance of 32 ohms, and it works with Windows 8, 10, 11, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. So inside the box, you get the DAC, and you also get, okay, yeah. So you get this, and you also get the DAC. So you can plug this into your laptop, which isn't bad. This also works with smartphones as well. I've been using this a lot with my Pixel 6, but I got my OnePlus 8 right here. I'm gonna plug this in the charging port, and I'm gonna get these bad boys. Okay, see, I like this. See, it matches. Look at that. It's beautiful. I like this cable. I can't get over this cable. This cable is beautiful. Look at it. Oh man, it's got no memory to it. This goes wherever it wants to. Let's see how these fit in the ear. Let's see how they fit straight out the box. Okay, you gotta make sure you don't get that cabin pressure feeling. Let me do a little sound test. Okay, so it's saying allow titled access the Rhodium high-res DAC. This app has not been granted record, but it can capture audio through US. Yes. Let's say yes. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna go in the Nas. Okay, I'll be right back again. Okay, as far as the sound quality goes, I know this song from front to back. And I just gotta say, Dan, Periodic Audio, you a raggedy bitch. Man, these good. These good. I can't front. I can't cap. These are good. These are good. Like, I was just browsing through Tidal, and I saw they had a playlist for like Kanye West tracks. It's in your face bass. I think Mark Ryan, aka Super Review, he coined the phrase big booty bass. These got big booty bass. These sound good. They're the same as the original, but I don't know. I don't know, man. It just, I guess I'm a bass head, like through and through. I'm a bass head. I just love bass. These are amazing, and I got, Tidal. I got the hi-fi audio, and I got this DAC. Ooh, man, and this oh man, I can't stop touching this cable, man. This cable, man, I'm just be touching it. Ooh, it's nice. It's nice. It's really nice, and I love this. I love you can do this now. I love you can do that. That's beautiful. That's wonderful right there. Nice, good, top quality cable with the bullet style. Oh, yes, I recommend these. So, this has been the review of the brand new Titanium inner monitors from Periodic Audio, plus the Rhodium DAC. This is a lot of money right here. I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you for, always supporting my channel, like, for real. I'm out. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your sound. Like, share, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. I'm about to go listen to this Kanye West playlist. I'm out.